Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of timing pulley in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Take here 2D sketch, select the XY plane, take circle command. From this center point, make dia 55, enter. Finish sketch, take extrude, take dimension 30 mm. And this will be a symmetric extrude. So we'll click on symmetric and press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take here circle command. From the center point, make dia 30, enter. Finish sketch, take extrude, take dimension 10 mm and press OK. Okay. Now we are going to make the pulley profile. Select this face, go to create sketch. Here go to rectangle, take 2 points, enter rectangle. Select this end point and make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension. Define this width here as 7.5. Define the height of 2 mm. Go to vertical constraint. Select the center point here and select the center. So this will be vertically aligned. Now go to coincident. Select this circle, select the center point. Now escape. Now the location of this rectangle is freeze. Now take the circle command and make one circle here of diameter 6 mm. Okay. Now here select coincident, select this line, select the center point. So this will be the location of this circle. Now go to vertical constraint, select the center of circle. Okay. Escape. Now here we will find what else is been left. So when I drag this, click on this green point. Okay. Now this is freeze. Now here go to trim this portion, trim this and this. Similarly here trim this and this. Okay. Now go to dimension, define this once again as 3 will be the radius. Go to trim this also. Now escape. Okay. Now here go to line command and make a straight line here. Go to dimension, define the dimension here as 2.75 mm. Okay. Go to trim this bottom portion. Define the diameter once again here 3 and this also radius 3. Okay. Now here go to trim. You can trim this portion as I want to give a radius over here. Okay. So go to fillet, take 0.75 radius, select this corner. Similarly select this corner and exit. And here go to dimension, define this distance as 2.75 again. Okay. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point, okay, select this point and select this point. Now escape. Now here we will see what else is left. You can see there is a motion here. Okay. To constrain this, go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select the center. Now escape. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Okay. Now with the help of this we will give a groove. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile, flip the direction and this will change to cut and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. So this will be the profile. Okay. Now here go to circular pattern, select this profile, rotation axis, select this axis, take here a count of 23 and press OK. Okay. Front view, you can see this profile here. Okay. for the timing belt. Home view. Now here go to origin and we will select the mid plane, the YZ plane. Go to create sketch and here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Sketch again, line command, and we will start from here a straight line and one taper line. Escape, go to dimension, define the angle here as 135 degree. Okay. Now here the straight length of 3 mm and this straight length of 5 mm. Now select this point and select this point. This will be 1.5 mm outside. Escape. Okay. Now go to offset command, select this profile, take offset of 1 mm and escape. Go to line command, make one joining line here and make one joining line here. Now escape. Okay. This is fully constrained. Now go to line command, from this center point make a straight line, escape, select this line, make it construction geometry and here go to mirror and mirror this profile. Okay. Press shift, unselect this and unselect this. Go to mirror line, select this center line, apply and done. Okay. Now here go to line command and we will construct a center line horizontally. Escape, select this line, make it construction. So this will be for the rotation. Finish sketch, go to revolve command, select this profile, select this profile, go to axis, select this as axis. Here I'll take join and press OK. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded edges. Now here you can see this profile. So the belt will run inside this profile. Okay. So this is to control the belt movement. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, take circle command, from this center point make diameter 50, finish sketch and here go to 3D model, extrude it up to 1 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay. Now same profile I want other side as well. Here I'll take mirror, select this command, go to mirror plane and here we'll select XY plane. Rotate. That's why we have taken initially the symmetric profile. Press OK. You can see the same. Okay. Rotate. Now we want a mounting hole. Select this face, go to create sketch. Here take circle command. From this center point make circle of diameter 12 and here go to rectangle, 2-point rectangle, make one rectangle here, coincident, select the center and select this green point. Dimension, define this as 7, okay, and define this as 3.5. Finish sketch, extrude, select this, cut and here I'll take all. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Okay. Now here go to fillet, take radius here of 1 mm at selection, select this edge, rotate and select this edge. Press OK. Rotate the view. Now select this and take chamfer here. We'll take a chamfer of 1 mm. Okay. Select this also. Rotate or you can just leave this. This is for the keyhole. Okay. And here select this corner. Press OK. Okay. Now here we will define the appearance. I'll take semi-polished and press enter. So this will be the final out. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD model of timing pulley in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.